You're on the couch, favorite show on, volume dialed in perfectly, then the ad break hits, suddenly your speakers are screaming, and you're lunging for the remote like it's a live grenade, then the show comes back, and it's way too quiet. Or you switch to an action movie, where dialogue is a whisper, but the second a car explodes, your windows are shaking. You spend the entire movie with your thumb glued to the volume buttons, constantly adjusting up and down. It drives people absolutely insane, and the wild part is, almost nobody knows the real reason why this happens. Here's the thing, your TV isn't broken. This is an audio engineering problem baked into how content is made, and once you understand it, the fix is straightforward. Let's start with the real problem. Not every show uses the same audio format. A sitcom runs in stereo. A Netflix film runs in Dolby Digital, built for surround sound, where dialogue, music, and effects each live in separate channels. Your TV tries to play both the same way. It can't. So one sounds too quiet, and the other hits too hard. Now here's why dialogue specifically sounds too low. In surround sound, voices go to the center channel. Everything else spreads wide. If your setup isn't balanced for that, dialogue gets buried. That's the whole problem right there. And streaming makes it worse. Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, every platform compresses audio differently. Every show on every platform can sound completely unlike the last one. There's no universal standard, which is exactly why your volume never stays in one place. So let's fix it. 4 settings. That's all it takes. The first fix is auto volume, sometimes called night mode. Go to your TV's sound settings right now and look for anything labeled auto volume, volume leveling, or night mode, and turn it on. This single setting compresses the loudest sounds and raises the quiet ones, so you stop riding the remote all night. The second fix is your audio output format. If you're using your TV's built-in speakers, switch the output to PCM or stereo. Your TV will properly down-mix the audio, and dialogue will immediately become clearer. If you're using a soundbar or a surround sound system, keep Dolby Digital enabled. That's where the format actually shines. Don't strip it out. The third fix is dialogue enhancement, and this one is buried in most TVs. Almost nobody finds it. Look in your sound settings for anything called dialogue enhancement, voice clarity or clear voice, and turn it on. It isolates vocal frequencies and pushes them forward without making everything else louder. This is the fix most people never know exists. The fourth fix is specifically for soundbar users. Check 2 things. First, make sure your center channel level isn't set too low. Second, make sure night mode is turned on at the soundbar level, not just on the TV. A small misconfiguration here causes the exact same volume problem, even with a premium setup. After these 4 fixes, volume stays steady, clear dialogue, no blasting scenes, fix it once, and it stays fixed. The next video covers the soundbar setup mistakes you should avoid. Watch that one next.